Kai, get out of the sink! So I already ate breakfast because I wasn't sure if I was gonna make a video, but I'm making a video. But I had like yogurt with fruit and granola, and it was really good. Not gonna lie. We had Panera yesterday, and my stomach had been hurting so bad ever since I ate it. My stomach like so bad, but it's okay. It's fine because the food was good. And then we had frozen yogurt after, and that was really good too. Today we're gonna go to IKEA and then H-Mart, I think, to get some veggies and also eat there because the food's good. But it is 10:21, and this bitch is going crazy. Where's Kai? He ran away. But yeah, that's the plan for today. I'll probably film me getting ready in the next clip because I'm not going out like this. My bangs are all wet. I always wash my bangs before I go out because they're always like dirty when I wake up, or they just look greasy when I wake up. Hey. So the fit today are the shoes I always wear. These are from AliExpress, and then the pants are from Hollister. Honestly, I got them like such a long time ago. So then this is from Brandy. It's like a button down, but I just opened it. And then this shirt is from Hollister also. And yeah. And then I think I'm gonna wear my hair down. I just have it up because I was washing my bangs. And then I'm gonna do like a simple makeup look, probably with some glitter and stuff because I like wearing glitter. But yeah. Tell me. I might put on these earrings too. I have these little earrings that my sister got me from like, where'd she get them? It was like it's like this girl that makes like BTS inspired stuff, and like she was selling these cute little earrings. You can't see, but these cute little like earrings, and they're, oh my god, they're so adorable. There you go. So freaking cute. But yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup now. I think I'm just gonna use, I look so bad right now. I think I'm just gonna use one of these palettes. Maybe not. Yeah, I think I'm feeling this palette today. So I'll probably use this. And also like, I'm just gonna show you some stuff I got for Christmas, but like, look at how cute my sister got it for me. It's literally the cutest little keychain ever. And I got the astronaut album. So freaking cute. I also got what else did I get? I also got the Indigo album. Literally masterpiece. Okay, I'm gonna go do my makeup. Okay, I finished makeup look. Cute. Okay, it is now 11:12, and I think we're gonna go. I'm so excited. I love going to IKEA. I love eating at IKEA. I love walking around IKEA. I love being Delulu at IKEA. So yeah. I'll see y'all in the car, probably. I don't know, but yeah.
Oh, somebody tell Joe.
I love
wood counters.
Yeah, I love. Karen's getting ideas for the apartment.
Right. What's the same I'm about to solve this right now? Just kidding.
It's something. It's cute. It's all. I like this one. I'm scared.
What's the microwave? Still. And then the fridge is cute too, I guess.
This is a microwave? Cool. This side table? I have the desk version.
I would want to live until I'm 100.
Ah. This is cute.
Oh my god, that is very organic. Right?
This future apartment.
I would have this. I would have this next to my bed, like a nightstand.
I love this.
Can you step out and you got food?
On my back. I love this so much. The mirror's only $20.
It's not bad. Where are the cups?
I like this size desk. Yeah, this is nice. I would get this for your house.
Right.
Oh, this is white. No, this is blue.
Oh, someone opened it.
It's so cute.
Oh, it's not open.
Wait, is this twin or split?
This is full. It looks full. Yeah.
It has to be twin though. No, there's a smaller one than this, and I was gonna get it for Karen's house. But it's like the same. It's the same color.
Same, yeah. Like
Look how cute.
one second.
Sure. Oh. No way. I was wondering what this was. I was really confused. But what's the point? What is... What hatches? Does the cat hatch? Oh no. Mirrors.
I like these.
Oh, that one's cute. Get this.
What Jimin thing?
The Jimin thing.
No clue what you guys talking about.
This, no, it has a little.
I want it to be the small.
Because it's all cute.
I got this stuff for the bulletin.
Oh, we got the same thing.
grab that too. This is so cute. Oh, little hearts at the bottom.
Oh, good.
Very
Wow.
sweet. It is. Bro, get these cookies in here.
We are now going to H Mart. We're gonna eat something at H Mart and then I just gotta buy like a couple vegetables and stuff. So yeah. Yeah, I kinda want it, but ooh, babe. Green grape eat. Turn right. I'm gonna eat the ube one. Oh, my hands got dirty. It's crunchy. My bangs look. My bangs look funny. Oh, very good. I'm gonna try the Vietnamese coffee. It's with a little like Biscoff. Biscoffs are actually really good. No, it does have flavor of coffee on the top. It's melting in my hands though. Well, it's good.